In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add noise in Affinity Designer. Adding a touch of noise is a simple way to give flat graphics and photos a subtle, organic texture. It can help reduce banding and gradients, bring a cohesive feel to composite artwork, and add a tasteful grain that makes designs feel less digital. Let's walk through it clearly so you know exactly what to click and why. Start by opening Affinity Designer on your computer and make sure your document is on screen. We'll work directly on the layer that needs texture. Look to the Layers panel, typically on the right side of the workspace. This is where your document's elements are organized. Click the image layer you want to affect so it's highlighted. Selecting the correct layer is important because the noise will be applied to whatever is active. Next, go to the top menu bar and open the Filters menu. This is where you'll find a variety of effects you can apply to your artwork. Scroll through the list and click Add Noise. As soon as you do, a small panel will appear with a control for the effect, and you should see a live preview on your canvas. Focus on the intensity slider. This controls how strong the grain appears. Drag it slowly to the right to increase the effect, or back to the left for a more restrained look. Subtlety usually works best. A small amount of noise can go a long way, especially on photos and gradients. Consider the final use of your design as you adjust. If it's for the web, keep it gentle so it doesn't look speckled. If you're creating a stylized or vintage look, you can push it a bit further. Watch the preview as you adjust and try to judge the effect at a typical viewing size. If it looks good when zoomed to a realistic level, it will likely translate well in the final output. As you fine-tune, keep an eye on edges, flat color areas, and gradient transitions. Noise should enhance these regions without distracting from your subject. If you notice the texture competing with important details, ease off the intensity until the grain supports rather than steals attention. When you're happy with how it looks, close the noise panel using the X icon to finish up. That's it. The effect is now applied to the selected layer, giving your artwork a tasteful, controlled texture. You've just learned the quickest, most reliable way to add noise in Affinity Designer. Keep this workflow handy whenever you need to add depth, reduce banding, or unify elements with a consistent grain.